Hey guys, it's Chris, and we're back once again on the Titanic, which has been resurrected. After about 3.5 weeks from my last filmed video, I finally got my order from, I don't remember. Do you remember when computing was fun? Nice postcard in there. We'll put that with the piles of stickers and things that I get. Where did I get this? I got this in Germany, and shipping from Germany is slightly delayed. These are the weirdest colors I've ever seen. It's orange, red, and white. So it will be right-left composite here on the old Titanic. Fire up the old solder station. That is 290 degrees Fahrenheit. So for the final little bit of the Titanic, we're going to solder in the composite jacks here. Dill pickles, are these bent? So once these are soldered in, they will be held straight. And I'll have to use my old school, I have enough of it for now, leaded solder. Good until 2024. Well, that's good, because with one in there, I can heat this up and position it where I need it to be. I should have had my fatter head on here. And I put on the old helmet of goober. So right here, I blobbed one in temporarily, and I'm just gonna touch the other points in here and fill them in. I do a little bit at a time because I want it to grab. These are also a big big solder joints on the ground plane because it's also its stability. So I fill them the hell up and really give them a lot of solder. There we go. The next one is the left audio. Push. There we go. That click is a sign of that's in there. And continuing to fill the blobs for my exhaust fan, I blow out while I'm soldering. There we go. That's two. I'm going to give it a little bit more on here. A little more on here. Great. Alright. For the final one is the composite video. We're just going to shove that in there. There we go. 3 big old solder jobs. Okay, with some IPA, our flux residue here is cleaned up. The only thing left to test now is the actual audio. That's this thing freaking out because of this crappy plug I'm using. See? It works really well. There we go. Audio's fixed. Audio's working. Okay, so our audio's fixed. CPU's fixed. Zorobus is fixed. All the stuff from the previous 2 videos of the Titanic. She's now fully restored, back in operation. And all the ports are cleaned or replaced. All the 745 logics are checking out. Everything's groovy. Holy crap. 68,007 megahertz Frontier Elite 2. Skipping it. But as you can see, the Titanic has now risen from the bottom of the ocean. I only have one thing left to do, and that is not important to this video, and that is to use some fingernail polish. I usually use the clear and go over where I have the VCC bus wide open, hanging out in the gold, and seal up those open coppers. That way they don't oxidize or rust or cause any problems electrically in the future. And this Amiga hopefully can live on for another 30 years. So I'm glad that I was able to help and get it working again so the owner can enjoy it. And we have another Amiga. It's 6.3 board too. That's pretty cool. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you found this series informational at least. And as always, I hope you learned something.